Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Kumar Singh. In this video I am going to demonstrate something and I have that thing in my hand. You can see this is known as ARGI plus, ARGI plus, ARGI plus. So I will open this and show you that what are the contents inside. I will also drink it myself as I do every day. So and I will explain to you that how it is helping me to keep my cardiovascular system intact, the blood circulation and the supply of oxygen and nutrients through my blood vessels, and how it helps to keep the blood vessels going to the heart in better conditions. So I hope you stay with me in this video till the end and try to understand the advantage of using this RG plus. So I will just open it from top. I will just open it and here it is. I got it opened and inside what I find is this like sticks packets. These are called sticks packets and there are around 30 to 30 packages, stick packages inside. So I'll just take one of it and I will try to open this one. So first I will shake it so that it is mixed properly inside. Then with the help of scissor I will cut the upper side and now you will see the ingredients inside. So just look at it. I'll cut little more. Now what I have to do, it's like a powder. It's in the powder form. So I'll put this one inside a glass of water. Okay, like this. It is looking white, but you see the color will change. Now with the help of a spoon, I am going to stir like this. And now you see how the color is changing. Now see the color. So shake it well, stir with the help of a spoon. And make sure that its ingredients are mixed together and it is completely dissolved in water. So now I think it is almost prepared. So you can use it in water or you can also use with the help of aloe berry nectar or aloe vera gel. So I am using it with water. Now I will take a sip. So its taste is very good. It's Its flavor is like a berry. And now I will tell you how it is helping cardiovascular system. So the contents inside this Argy plus, it has got a amino acid which is known as L-arginine, and that amino acid produces a magic thing like nitric oxide. Now when this L-arginine, which is amino acid, converts into nitric oxide inside the body, it deflates the vessels, blood vessels, and makes sure that all the nutrients inside your body, oxygen and blood supply, are circulated throughout the body in optimum level. So that is the first and foremost function it is doing. So if there is something, obstructing your blood vessel, or if you have some problem like that, that circulation system is uh, not up to the mark, in that case this will help you. Now next thing it is doing is that it improves your athletic performance, your energy level, your muscles. So before doing exercise, if you are going to gym for your body, exercise, before that if you use this one, it is very helpful to improve your stamina. It will improve your energy level, and apart from that, you will find that your muscles will also become healthy. It Apart from this uh, amino acid L-arginine, it also has vitamin D and B. So vitamin D, as you know, it is helpful for skeletal health, and vitamin B is for your energy level, improving your energy metabolic system, improvement of metabolic system, and it also contains the skin of pomegranate and grapes. So all together, you will find that if you use it regularly, your heart or your blood vessels, cardiovascular system will be in fit condition. So everybody should start using this one, as I recommend it 100%, and you must consult with your doctor before using it, because this is a food supplement that we provide, our company provides. But we always say that it is a food supplement, it is not a cure for any disease. But if you use it, you will come to know yourself that it's a how much it is useful for our health, for cardiovascular system. So it improves your energy level, it improves your immunity level, it helps in your improving cardiovascular circulation system. So all together, it's good for our health, and we must use it. If you want to know more about this, you can contact me through WhatsApp number. And if you want to join Forever Living Products Company, you can also contact me. You want to know more about Forever Living Products, watch a webinar, go to my description box, and through the link you can very well come to know about our team, how we are working, and everything about Forever Living Products company. It's very useful. So thank you so much being with me today in this video. See you in another video. Till then, take care.